So here's Molly playing with her rats. Me is not so sure about them. Show us who's who, Molly.
Snowflake.
Hello, Snowflake.
Cole.
Cole. Hello. Oh, coming over? Yes, hello.
And Fuzzy.
Oh, and Fuzzy. Fuzzy with no hair. Hello, Mia. They all think I have something interesting. Where's Fuzzy? Here, go that way. Sit down, Mia. Okay, they think I must have something, huh?
Stand up and they won't have to go into people's laps when they're sitting.
You can tell I feed them. Molly just got her hair done in Florida, so she has braids. There's the other one. Okay, say bye.